Well, Dheeraj bro, your sister wedding is coming. So what's your preparation for your sister wedding?
Hey Anas, you are saying that you know what, my sister wedding is coming soon. That's why I'm very excited for that. That's because of that. So you know what, tomorrow is the Saturday. Tomorrow is the Saturday. So because of that, today I went to the Gandhinagar for purchasing some new clothes. So I went to the Gandhinagar. I bought some new clothes for my wedding. So you know what, I also purchased so many things for my sister wedding. You know what, I'm very excited for that. You know what, I also invited you for my wedding. If you will come, then we will do so much fun.
So bro, Dheeraj bro, I think that you give me your t-shirt because I really like that t-shirt, and you know that color is my favorite, and will you give me that t-shirt? I will grateful for you.
No, bro, I will not give you my t-shirt because you know whenever I ask you something for you, you never give me something. I think if you will give me something to you, then I will definitely give you because you are the only one person who make me irritate. Whenever you irritate me, so that's why I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to make any relation with you.
So I heard one of my friend that you purchased a camera on last week. It's just your hobby, and then you want to broad your scope on photography.
No, bro. I don't have any interest in photography. But you know, whenever I go for any travel, I like to do a travel. So because I am taking so many pictures, so that's why I need any camera. You know, if whenever you take a selfie with the phone, you will not get any good selfie. But you know, if you will take a selfie with a camera, so you will get a very good. You will put a very good memory in a good selfies.
What's your opinion on Munna Bhaiya?
You know, Munna Bhaiya is a really good character, but you know about there are so many people thinking about the Munna Bhaiya is not good. He killed the 2 and 3% in a Mirzapur in a web series. But you know, if you asking to me, to Mirzapur is really in a Mirzapur there is only one character I like so much. Who is the Munna Bhaiya? You know what, the Munna Bhaiya is a really good character because of that he is the prince of Mirzapur.
Bro, can you suggest me some good movies?
As far as I can, you should watch the so many. You know about if you want to watch something like a war movie, you should go watch the Hollywood movie. But if you want to watch something movie which related to crimes and the thrill, so you should watch the Bollywoods and the South movies. Do you know what, the KGF is my favorite movie because you know the both of the movie I went to the theater for watching.
As per my observation, that you are too much interested in watching the movies and web series. So why are you not applied on the IMDb brand?
No, you know about that. I'm not like too much web series or movie. You know, whenever I get a time for doing, you know about that, I have lots of work to do. So whenever I get that, sometime I like to watching a movie. And you know about the whenever I saw a review on a YouTube, so then I make a decision I have to watch or not because you know about the we have a time. It's a precious time, so we have to utilize our precious time in a very good manner. So we will manage our time.
Actually, Dheeraj bro, I am feeling headache in my head, so I'm just going to for a coffee. Will you join me?
No, bro, I will not go because right now I'm giving an exam of NET. So because of that, right now if I will go with it, it will be not good for me. That's why I will not go. But you know, after that, sometime my exam will be closed and stop. Then I will definitely go with you.